I have 28, number 2, 28xy plus 4x minus 7y minus 1. And I'm looking for a greatest common factor across my whole problem, but I have this term 1 at the end, has no number other than 1 and no variable. So there's no greatest common factor on this problem at all. So I'm looking to factor by grouping. And for the first pair, the greatest common factor, I think 4 will work, because 4 times 7 will give me 28. And then it looks like I also have an x, because there's an x on both terms there. So 4x times the quantity, so far I know 7. Let me write that one more time there. 4x times the quantity, and I have 7y, it looks like. So 4 times 7 is 28, xy, there's my xy. And then 4x times what is 4x? Well, that's 4x times 1 is 4x. And then I have 7y plus 1. Now this is looking very close, 7y plus 1, and this is negative 7y minus 1. So that's giving me an idea that I could just factor out a negative 1. So negative 1 times what will give me negative 7y? The answer is 7y. Negative 1 times what will give me negative 1? It already is, so the default is a positive 1. And now if I distribute a negative 1, I get negative 7y. A negative 1 here, I get negative 1. So I know it's equivalent. That's really important when you factor out a negative. Double check yourself there. But now I can see I've got 7y plus 1 on both. And that's fantastic, so I can factor it out to the front, and I have 7y plus 1 out front. And then I'm looking to see what's left, and I see that I have a 4x and a minus 1. And so there's my factored form. There's my factored form of the polynomial, and I want to do a check. So we'll do 7y plus 1 times 4x minus 1. And I'll distribute that 7y. So 7y times 4x, that's going to be 28xy. And then 7y times negative 1, negative 7y. And then I want to distribute that positive 1, which isn't really going to change my values at all, is it? And so I just have a plus 4x minus 1. Now, do I have any like terms? No. And I come back here to look. 28xy, yes. Positive 4x, yes, out of order, but the sign is correct. Negative 7y, yes, out of order again. And then negative 1 at the end. It's beautiful.